Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I have a special unboxing today for you guys to check it out. As you know, Kanye West dropped the Yeezy Boost 300 V2. This one is the YECHEIL. So my son somehow drove all the way down to Fountain Valley and got the ticket, and he got the shoes, which is dropped today. So anyway, you see the nice shopping bag from Adidas. So let's go ahead and show you guys the unboxing. So like always, I'm going to give you guys a 350 view of the box real quick. On top of the box, you got the 350. And then on the side, you got the Boost. And got the Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas. And then make sure you got the Adidas logo right in the center of this cutout opening right here, in case you guys want to do some legit check. So I'm not sure this time around the boxes kind of have a wrinkle and vertical line. And then on this side is blank. So there's a little dent right here on the box. And then on the bottom there's nothing. So this is the size label right here. This one it is size 7 US, and then UK is 6.5. FW5190 is the style number, and this one's the made in China. So be sure to look for the UPC and then the PO box. Be sure to look at this UPC PO number right here, so you guys could do the legit check. This one is the non-reflective version, which is retail for $220 plus tax. It's almost $238. And look for this too. It is kind of rounded for the cut opening. Wow, look at that. Nice. So the midsole is like a translucent black or smoke. There's a little glue right here. And then you got this, this tag right here. So this is the originals. So look at the zip tie right here. This time around it's kind of different. So this side looks like a light pinkish color on this inner panel right here. And you got all these stripes. And this color reminds me of Israel that was dropped. And then you got the same color tone right here on this side. So this is kind of like a bulge out right here. I'm not sure why, but and then right here too. And this stripe right here, it is see-through. Let me try to shine the light. Oh, there you go. You can see the light shining on it. And right here is like a mix of red and then a light bluish, baby blue color. So this time around, the inside looked like a light pink again. And then you got the boots right here. Got the 1, 2, I don't know, I got a whole bunch of dots. You got a whole bunch of those 3 line in a circle dots compared to the previous version. So, and you got the Adidas, with the Adidas logo right here. And even on this ice stay section right here by the lace, it is like a beige pinkish color compared to before. It's like a off-white color. And this is a shoe tree. It's kind of not hard. It's pretty soft. Take out the insole real quick to show you guys, in case you might want to do some legit check. Got the Adidas logo and then Yeezy. Always have this cut opening right here. 1, 2, 3 notches. And look at the pattern over here on the insole. And be sure you have this YH-0010 5.5 to 6.5. But this one is size 7, so and be sure you have those small dots over here, over here, over there, over here too, right here, right here. And be sure to look at this Adidas logo with those 3 leaves. Let's go and then check out the size label real quick. I need to turn on the flash. Alright, so let's go and check out this real quick. On the inside, you should have this horseshoes like toward the inside by your foot. And this is 3M reflective right here. Also, you got the 3M reflective on the lace system. Only on the lace, okay? Let's go ahead and check out the size label. Let me zoom in real quick. So this one's made in China. As you can see, the manufacture date is December 2019. Make sure you have the article number right there, ART FW 5190. So you get to do the legit check. check out the other side. So this is pretty padded. This Yeezy Boost 350 V2, you want to go with the half size bigger. It is not true to size. I guess because of this material, the nib material, or the way this one push from your back up the foot, is kind of crunch a little bit, so it feels more smaller. So just go with a half size bigger, then you'll be okay. So as you can see, it is translucent on the bottom of the outsole as well, and also on the midsole. You can see the white boost that's inside, embedded in there. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.